Salute to everyone who loves trading. This is MaxBot channel. Now I will make a few trades with the help of a robot with an average passability of 90%. You can use 3 signals for free, after which you can purchase the full version of the bot at a 90% discount. The number of people who get the discount is limited. Link in the description. Now I will make a trade with the currency pair Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Forecast from MaxBot, lower. In this case you need to press the red button in pocket option. Market entry $300, expiry time 2 minutes. The robot indicated in the message with the signal information about volatility and news background. Now both of these parameters are reduced. And now it is time to think about why the robot gave such a forecast. I will conduct a technical analysis using the TradingView service. What does the volume indicator tell us? That in the last minutes before the opening of the deal, sellers had an advantage and their volumes allowed to turn the price movement lower. Half an hour ago and more than an hour ago the bears also provided active resistance, but there was a period when the price rushed upwards. At that moment, the buyers realized their potential. But right now, I am sure that what I have shown about the bears' volumes in the last minutes will play a decisive role. The stochastic oscillator also confirms the lower direction. I am confident that this trade will close with a profit. I think the robot gave a signal by doing this kind of analytics. Attention! There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on the subject of trading. I choose one winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. And my musings and the signal from the robot were confirmed. Right now the deal closed with a profit. $273 came to the real account. Now I'm going to change the currency pair for a change. Of the 27 options that are available in the robot's menu, I will focus on the Euro/US dollar currency pair. Payout 90%. I will leave the investment amount at the level of $300. 2 keystrokes in the bot menu and the signal instantly appears in front of us. Higher. I will take this situation apart right away to try again to speculate on why the bot gave this particular prediction. By the way, it can analyze 30 indicators, technical and candlestick analysis, as well as price action. Every person who purchases the full version of the tool gets unlimited signals. Pick up 3 free signals via the link in the description, and then you can immediately purchase the robot at a 90% discount. The discount will be valid for a limited number of users, so hurry up to pick up the tool with a big profit. And right now on the histogram of tick volumes I noted that the volumes of buyers in the last minutes were accumulating a little bit at a time. And before that, an hour ago, there was a period of consolidation, when the volumes of sellers and buyers alternated. The initiative could not be taken over by either side. Until the moment when the price pushed away from the resistance area and started to move lower. However, by this time the bears have already worked out all their potential, so I predict a trend reversal and a rebound from the support area. I think that after bouncing off the support area, the price will smoothly move flat and slowly move higher. I think that the robot followed the same logic when it made the prediction. Working from this structure, you will be able to pump your deposit to very large amounts. The robot absorbed all the information that the development team studied for 9 years. All this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee and converted into your profit. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment, which you will make at a discount of 90%, will pay for itself in the first hours of work, because the accuracy of signals MaxBot is very high. And here's the bottom line on the second trade. This operation turned out to be profitable thanks to an accurate recommendation from the artificial intelligence. My real account received $270. Now it's time to make the final deal, to consolidate the success and reinforce it with another positive result. I use MaxBot to bring my work to the stream, to find time for training and recuperation. The robot takes on the most energy-consuming load. It analyzes large amounts of data while you can use the freed-up time for your development. I will now make a trade with the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar currency pair. The amount of market entry is $900. I get a lightning signal from the neural network. Higher side. I press the green button on the broker's website. Volatility is up now. The news has a significant impact on the currency pair. Now I will focus on historical data and look for patterns in market situations that I see on the chart in the TradingView service. I search for our currency pair and look at the big picture that has been happening over the past 2 hours. There is a corridor in the middle of the chart when consolidation took place. The price was in sideways movement most of the time. However, there was an obvious downtrend, which developed very smoothly. The confirmation of the consolidation can be seen on the tick volume histogram. However, a few minutes ago on the volume indicator it was possible to notice how the bulls were active. And by the crossing of the lower Bollinger Band and the behavior of the stochastic oscillator I can conclude that now there is the highest probability of a bounce from the support area and a trend reversal to the higher side, at least locally. Yes, another consolidation is possible, but a small bounce within the 2-minute timeframe should lead us to a profit. I think the robot used a similar logic when it gave a quick signal. Let's wait for the end of the trade. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that after purchasing the full version of the robot with a discount of 90%, you will get access to the VIP chat, where market analysis is conducted by specialists from our team. There they analyze various market situations and also share actual forecasts. And now on the screen you can see the feedback of people who are already regularly working and earning with artificial intelligence. These users have already felt the power of MaxBot. Try it in you. Link in the description of this video. And here's the final result. The signal was once again accurate. $801 plus. In total for 3 operations I managed to earn with the help of accurate analytics of artificial intelligence $1,344. Thank you for watching. Give me a like if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to always be aware of new interesting episodes. Bye.